Home to breathtaking natural wonders and charming cities. A perfect blend of modernity and wilderness. Offers activities for every traveler, from skiing to sightseeing. Known for its welcoming people and cultural diversity. Let's explore the most amazing destinations Canada has to offer. Banff National Park, Alberta. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is a dream destination for nature lovers. Why visit? Stunning turquoise lakes like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake. Scenic hiking trails with panoramic mountain views. World-class ski resorts during the winter season. Must-do activities, canoeing on Lake Louise. Relaxing in the Banff Upper Hot Springs. Taking a gondola ride for breathtaking views. Niagara Falls, Ontario. One of the world's most iconic natural wonders, Niagara Falls never fails to impress. Why visit? Witness the thunderous cascade of water up close. Perfect for both romantic getaways and family trips. Must-do activities, take the Maid of the Mist boat tour. Visit the Skylon Tower for a bird's eye view. Explore the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. Vancouver, British Columbia. A bustling west coast city surrounded by mountains and water, Vancouver is the ultimate urban nature fusion. Why visit? Vibrant culture and diverse culinary scene. Close to nature with beaches, parks, and mountains. Must-do activities, stroll through Stanley Park and see the totem poles. Walk the Capilano Suspension Bridge. Take a day trip to Whistler or Vancouver Island. Quebec City, Quebec. Step into a European-inspired wonderland in the heart of Canada. Quebec City is rich in culture and charm. Why visit? A UNESCO World Heritage Site with cobblestone streets. French-inspired architecture and cuisine. Must-do activities, explore Old Quebec and Chateau Frontenac. Attend the Winter Carnival if visiting in February. Walk along the Dufferin Terrace for stunning views. Toronto, Ontario. Canada's largest city, Toronto, is a cultural and entertainment hub with something for everyone. Why visit? Home to famous landmarks like the CN Tower. Offers a vibrant arts and entertainment scene. Must-do activities, visit the Royal Ontario Museum and Ripley's Aquarium. Take a ferry to the Toronto Islands. Explore the multicultural neighborhoods like Chinatown and Little Italy. Jasper National Park, Alberta. A less crowded but equally beautiful alternative to Banff, Jasper National Park is a hidden gem. Why visit? Stunning glaciers, mountains, and wildlife. Recognized as a dark sky preserve for stargazing. Must-do activities, explore the Athabasca Glacier. Take a cruise on Maligny Lake. Hike the Valley of the Five Lakes. Ottawa, Ontario. Canada's capital city, Ottawa, is a perfect blend of history, culture, and modernity. Why visit? Iconic landmarks like Parliament Hill. Renowned museums and galleries. Must-do activities, watch the changing of the guard ceremony. Visit the National Gallery of Canada. Walk along the Rideau Canal, which turns into the world's largest skating rink in winter. Prince Edward Island, Hay, famous for its red sand beaches and Anne of Green Gables, Hay is a serene escape. Why visit? Beautiful coastal views and charming villages. Fresh seafood, especially lobster and oysters. Must-do activities, relax on Cavendish Beach. Visit Green Gables Heritage Place. Take the Pay Culinary Trail for local delights. Whistler, British Columbia. A world-renowned ski destination, Whistler is also a summer paradise. Why visit? Top-notch skiing and snowboarding. Stunning mountain landscapes and outdoor adventures. Must-do activities, ride the Peak 2 Peak gondola. Try mountain biking or ziplining in the summer. Explore the pedestrian-only Whistler Village. Calgary, Alberta. Known for its cowboy culture, Calgary offers a unique mix of urban fun and western charm. Why visit? Host of the famous Calgary Stampede. Gateway to the Canadian Rockies. Must-do activities, attend the Calgary Stampede in July. Explore the Calgary Zoo and Heritage Park. Take a walk along the Bow River. The Yukon. For an off-the-beaten-path adventure, the Yukon offers raw wilderness and incredible landscapes. Why visit? Witness the Northern Lights. Endless hiking trails and wildlife encounters. Must-do activities, explore Kluane National Park. Drive the scenic Dempster Highway. Visit Dawson City for its gold rush history. Montreal, Quebec. A city that never sleeps, Montreal is known for its arts, food, and vibrant festivals. Why visit? Blend of old world charm and modern life. Festivals like the Montreal International Jazz Festival. Must-do activities: walk through Old Montreal and Notre Dame Basilica. Visit Mount Royal Park for panoramic views. Enjoy local delicacies like poutine and bagels. Tofino, British Columbia. For beach lovers and surfers, Tofino is a hidden coastal paradise. Why visit? Known for its stunning beaches and surf culture. Surrounded by lush rainforests. Must-do activities: surf or relax on Long Beach. Explore Pacific Rim National Park. Go whale watching. Grosse Morne National Park, Newfoundland and Labrador. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Grosse Morne National Park is a geological wonder and a hiker's paradise. Why visit? Unique landscapes shaped by glaciers. A perfect spot for hiking and wildlife photography. Must-do activities: take the boat tour through Western Brook Pond. Explore tablelands, where the Earth's mantle is visible. Enjoy the coastal trails and spot moose or caribou. Halifax, Nova Scotia. The capital of Nova Scotia, Halifax, is a maritime city brimming with charm and history. Why visit? Known for its lively waterfront and seafood. A gateway to Nova Scotia's stunning coastal drives. Must-do activities: visit the iconic Peggy's Cove Lighthouse. Explore the Halifax Citadel National Historic Site. Enjoy fresh lobster rolls by the harbour. Churchill, Manitoba. Known as the polar bear capital of the world, Churchill is a unique destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Why visit? Get up close with polar bears in their natural habitat. Witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Must-do activities: go on a tundra buggy tour to spot polar bears. Explore the Hudson Bay coastline. Learn about Inuit culture at the Itsineetik Museum. Victoria, British Columbia. The capital of British Columbia, Victoria, is a picturesque city known for its gardens and British-inspired architecture. Why visit? Beautiful waterfront views and historic charm. A top destination for whale watching. Must-do activities: stroll through Butchart Gardens. Visit the Royal BC Museum. Enjoy high tea at the Fairmont Empress Hotel. The Bay of Fundy, New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. The Bay of Fundy is famous for having the highest tides in the world, making it a natural wonder worth visiting. Why visit? Unique tidal landscapes and marine life. A great spot for adventure seekers and photographers. Must-do activities: walk on the ocean floor at Hopewell Rocks during low tide. Go whale watching for humpbacks and minke whales. Kayak through sea caves and cliffs. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Known as the Paris of the Prairies, Saskatoon is a hidden gem offering vibrant culture and history. Why visit? A rich Indigenous heritage and cultural scene. Beautiful riverfront walks along the South Saskatchewan River. Must-do activities: visit Wonuscuan Heritage Park for Indigenous culture. Explore the Ramai Modern Art Museum. Take a sunset cruise on the Prairie Lily. Kelowna, British Columbia. Nestled in the Okanagan Valley, Kelowna is a haven for wine lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Why visit? Beautiful vineyards and wineries. Perfect for lake activities and scenic drives. Must-do activities: tour the award-winning wineries of the Okanagan. Relax on the beaches of Okanagan Lake. Hike Knox Mountain for panoramic views. Whitehorse, Yukon. Whitehorse, the capital of Yukon, is the gateway to Canada's Arctic wilderness and an ideal spot for adventure seekers. Why visit? A base for exploring untouched landscapes. Perfect for experiencing the northern lights. Must-do activities: soak in the Takini Hot Springs. Hike the Miles Canyon for spectacular views. Learn local history at the Yukon Beringia Interpretive Center.